Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will be discussing how to upload a file with progress % step-by-step using ReactJS. Uploading files is a common feature in web development, and displaying the progress of the upload is crucial to give users an indication of how much longer they have to wait. With the power of ReactJS, we can create a smooth and seamless user experience by showing progress as the file uploads. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will guide you through the process of implementing this feature into your ReactJS project. So, let's dive in and learn how to upload a file with progress % step-by-step with ReactJS. Okay, to start, I will create a folder upload file progress bar. This folder will contain client and server. I will create a Laravel project for the backend and ReactJS for the client. Okay, project is done. Now I will handle the server side first. I will open with Visual Studio Code. The purpose of this function is to upload a file submitted as part of the request. The function first validates that a file has been submitted and that it has one of the allowed file types: JPG, JPEG, PNG, PDF, HTML, or MFR. If the validation fails, an error response is returned to the client. If the validation passes, the function retrieves the file from the request object and generates a unique file name by appending the current timestamp to the original file name. It then stores the file in the public disk under the uploads directory with the generated file name. Finally, the function returns a JSON response to the client indicating that the file was uploaded successfully and includes the generated file name as part of the response. PHP Artisan Storage Link is a Laravel artisan command that creates a symbolic link between the public directory of your application and the storage/app/public directory. Okay, I finished writing the server code for file storage. Next, I will do the client-side processing. First, I will write a template at app.js. You can follow it. This code is a React component that defines a file upload box. It uses React hooks to manage the component's state, including an array of selected files, an array of uploaded files, and a Boolean value to determine whether or not to display a progress bar show progress. It also creates a ref object file input ref to reference the file input element in the component's JSX. When a user selects one or more files to upload, the setFiles function is called to update the file's state with the selected files. When the user clicks a button to upload the selected files, the Axios library is used to send a POST request to a server with the selected files as data. The handle file input click function uses a ref to a file input element file input ref to programmatically trigger a click event on the file input element when the handle file input click function is called. The code is checking if the variable show progress is true, and if so, it will render a loading area with a list of files being uploaded. The list is generated based on an array of files using the map method. For each file, a list item element is created with a file icon, file name, and the uploading progress displayed as a percentage. The uploading progress is represented visually using a loading bar that is updated in real time as the file upload progresses. The width of the loading bar is determined by the file loading value, which is a number between 0 and 100 that represents the percentage of the file that has been uploaded so far. The map function is used to iterate over the array of uploaded files and create a new array of list items with the file details. The key attribute is used to assign a unique identifier to each list item to help React identify which items have changed, added, or removed. Inside the list item, there is a container div with the class name content upload that contains an icon and the file details. The icon is a font-awesome icon of a file, and the details include the file name and size, which are accessed using the name and size properties of each file object. This is a JavaScript function called uploadFile that handles the uploading of a file to a server using the Axios library. It takes an event object as its parameter, which represents the input change event when a file is selected. First, it checks if a file has been selected and if not, returns without doing anything. Then it creates a form datum object and appends the selected file to it. It then sets the file's state using the setFiles function. The file's state is an array of objects, where each object contains the name of the file and the percentage of the file that has been uploaded so far. The setShowProgress function is called to show a progress bar during the file upload. Next, it makes an HTTP POST request using the Axios library to upload the file to a server at the URL. The onUploadProgress callback function is passed as a configuration option to the request. This function is called periodically during the upload to update the progress of the file being uploaded. Within the onUploadProgress callback function, the setFiles function is called again to update the percentage of the file that has been uploaded so far. When the file has finished uploading i.e., the loaded and total parameters are equal, the setUploadedFiles function is called to add the uploaded file to the uploaded file state, And the set files and set show progress functions are called to reset the state and hide the progress bar, respectively. Okay, I have done the project. The uploaded files have been sent to the server and saved in public. Thank you for watching, goodbye and see you in the next tutorials.